What's up, guys? I'm Mike from StockedUp. In this video, I'm going over what I think is going to happen in the stock market tomorrow. So, I really think we're going to see a red day in the stock market tomorrow, and I'm going to explain why in this video. Now, the first reason, and this is just a very basic reason, and you can tell us just by looking at your stock chart. First one is we have had 5 green days in a row on the SPY, excluding today. So 5 green days in a row, and I'm talking about from open to close, 5 days in a row. You don't really see that too much in the market, and these are really big candles too. And then on top of that, we have 2 Dow stocks like PFE and CAT, which have also had 5 or more green days in a row. This does not happen, guys. This is not normal. If we look at PFE, you can look through this 6-month chart right here, and you will not see one time where there was 5 green days in a row. And, actually, let me correct that. We have had 6 green days in a row on PFE. So, and then on top of that, while there are 6 green days in a row, there's also implied volatility increasing. Typically, implied volatility increases only when the stock's falling. So there's a little bit of like a divergence right there. Same thing with CAT. And then another thing is Trump just talked about how he thinks he's anticipating that the next 2 weeks are going to be very painful. You can see that right here. I posted it in the Discord community. If you want to join, you can click the link in the description down below. But Trump himself said it's going to be a very painful next 2 weeks. So that's another reason. That's a horrible catalyst. Let me see. And then futures right now are already down 250 points. On top of that, we have been seeing heavy call buying on the VIX. So when the market falls or whenever there's fear or uncertainty in the markets, the VIX goes up. We saw a lot of institutions buying calls on those. So those are a couple reasons why, I really think we're way overdue for a down day tomorrow. And the thing is even if we look at the Dow, you could see that some like value stocks, like even Home Depot, they're starting to come down a little bit. If we look at like Coca-Cola or like Verizon or whatever, I mean, yes, we have had a horrible quarter. This is one of the fastest falls in history for the stock market. And as you would think, a strong bounce has to, happen because of that. And we saw a great bounce last week. However, to have 5 green days in a row, you just don't see it. Like even when the market was getting absolutely killed, like 3 weeks ago, we still didn't see 5 red days in a row. You know what I mean? So it's just too much. Even when even though we are seeing green candles, like the stock, like the market's just not really moving up that much. It shows weakness. And then on top of that, today, March 31st of 2020, today was the deadliest day for the United States for the coronavirus. So add up all those reasons I just listed, and you would think that the market would fall the next day. So we'll see what happens. In terms of what I like, though, I like VIX calls, VXX calls. You could really get, 50, anywhere between the 50 and 60 strike. Those are all good calls for, if you want to get a little bit risky, you could go for the weekly expiration. Personally, I have those. I think it's a good setup. Even with weekly put options like Bank of America, that's great. Procter & Gamble, that's great. Caterpillar, that's amazing. PFE, that's amazing too. These are all good plays to get in, guys. Of course, do your own risk, do your own research, but if you rewatch a video, like really think about all the reasons I just listed. You have technical reasons like 5 green days in a row. You have news reasons. You have Trump influencing the market saying, hey guys, we're going to have a bad next couple weeks ahead. And then also you have implied volatility recently, and then just a fundamental factor of the worst day in history, or I should say in the past year, or the past couple months with the coronavirus happened today. It was the most deadliest day. So there's a lot of factors. I really see a down day tomorrow to capitalize on it. You have PFE, Caterpillar, VIX calls. That works great too. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video. I hope it helped you in some way. Hope it taught you something. If you guys want, I have a Discord community. there are a lot of people in here. People are chatting all day long about the stock market, investing. We have a ton of great people in this group. Really, like we have a lot of great people in the group. You know, like as we're recording the video, we have JP. You know, trying to talk stocks. You know, so it's an amazing group, completely free to join, and I even post options day trading picks in the day trading alert channel. Those are also completely free. So if you guys just want to network or, you know, do whatever you want, feel free to join. You can join using the link in the description down below. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, thanks for watching.